Integrating Venmo security into your financial transactions is a crucial step in protecting your identity and funds. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. To begin, it is essential to understand the importance of security when using Venmo. As a peer-to-peer payment service, Venmo allows users to send and receive money quickly and easily. However, this convenience also comes with risks, such as unauthorized transactions and identity theft. The first step in integrating Venmo security is to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. To enable two-factor authentication, log into your Venmo account, navigate to the Settings menu, and select the Security option. Next, make sure to use a strong and unique password for your Venmo account. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as your name or birth date, and opt for a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. It is also a good idea to change your password regularly to prevent unauthorized access. Another critical aspect of Venmo security is monitoring your account activity. Regularly review your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity, such as unauthorized payments or transfers. If you notice anything unusual, report it to Venmo immediately to prevent further damage. In addition to these measures, it is essential to be cautious when using Venmo's social features. While the ability to share transactions and connect with friends can be convenient, it also increases the risk of identity theft and unauthorized transactions. Be mindful of the information you share and only connect with people you trust. To further enhance your Venmo security, consider linking your account to a credit card or bank account with built-in fraud protection. This will provide an additional layer of security in the event of unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized transactions and identity theft when using Venmo. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your financial information.